Greetings everyone, I'm Eliza Mendoza and I'm going to explain to you the Module 4, Introduction to Context-Free Grammars. Lesson 1, Definition of CFG. So we're going to tackle the definition of context-free grammar, components of CFG, and example of CFG. A context-free grammar is a specific type of grammar that helps define the rules for a language in a structured way. So, ang CFG ay isang way para makombine ang sentence or string together pero may rules na gagamitin. Components of CFG. The non-terminal symbols. These are placeholders used to define pattern in the grammar. So, ito yung magiging categories or placeholder natin. For example, sentence or noun. Terminal symbols. These are the actual characters or symbols in the language, like letters or numbers that appear in the final string. So, ito na yung mga actual words na gagamitin natin. Production rules. These are the rules that tell you how to replace non-terminal symbols with terminal symbols or other non-terminal symbols to generate strings. So, ito na yung rules kung paano natin ipagko-combine yung mga strings. For example, a sentence can be of noun followed by a verb. So, ayan yung rules natin. Dapat yung sentence ay noun followed by a verb. So, start symbol. This is the symbol you start with and you use the production rules to transform it into a valid strings in the language. For example, start with a sentence. So, ito yung example niyan. So, yung non-terminals, which is our categories or placeholder, sentence, noun, and verb. Terminals, ito yung actual words na gagamitin natin. So, we have dog and runs. And for the production rules, ito na yung rules kung paano natin i-combine sila. So, sabi kanina, noun followed by a verb. So, sentence, noun, and verb. So, ano yung noun dito? The dog. Yung verb ay runs. So, start symbol. So, mag-start tayo sa sentence. Kasi nga, dun mag-i-start. Yun yung start symbol natin. So, start with sentence is use the rule sentence, noun, verb to break it down. So, ano ba yung noun natin? Which is dog. The verb is runs. So, kapag meron kang rule na noun followed by the verb, so magiging final sentence natin is dog runs kasi nga dog is a noun and runs is a verb. So, ayan yung pinaka-simple example para mas maintindihan ang context-free grammar. So, that's all. Thank you all for watching.